To unlock Samsung A27 5G with forgotten screen lock, first of all, you will need to connect a USB-C cable that is connected into your PC or laptop. This is the most important thing because without this, we will be not able to use it to do this. Now, when connected, we have to use two buttons combination, click and hold power button and the volume down button, because we have to turn off the phone, and this is the only way to do this when we don't remember a screen lock. So keep holding until the phone turns off. As you can see now, the phone turns off, and now we have to hold the power button and the volume up button when the Samsung logo appears. And it actually depends, because sometimes it will start appearing after like 10 seconds, sometimes you have to wait 30 seconds, sometimes you have to wait even 1 minute. So it actually depends. But what we have to do after the Samsung logo appears, we have to hold this volume up and the power button simultaneously almost immediately, like this. Because if you do this a little bit slower, your phone will just turn on. It's not gonna enter for this recovery mode. So this is the reason why it's actually necessary. So take a look, I'm holding and I just did it too slow. Too slow because it's just booting up normally. So this is something that I want to show you, that if you do this too slow, the phone will turn on. But don't worry, we are gonna do this one more time, step by step. So now take a look how it looks properly. Power button, volume down button until the phone turns off. Keep holding all the time, and now click and hold the power button and the volume up button, and keep holding until the phone turns on. If it is not gonna work after like 20 seconds, we have to release and then click and hold them one more time. So just wait for this. Okay, now a release and quickly hold. There we go. Keep holding all the time. And now, as you can see, here we are. What do you have to do? Just simply go for the wipe data / factory reset. And there's important information that if we do this, we have to input the email address and our password that we were previously using, because without this, it will be not possible to log in to this smartphone. Now click on the volume up button, scroll down to the factory data reset, click on the power button to confirm. Now, as you can see, the reset is complete. We remove all data from our phone, and now we can finally reboot system now, set up our phone, input previous Google account, and then we will be able to simply start using this phone. Thanks so much for watching.